going bald. Okay, so what the fuck is up? Welcome back to my motherfucking channel. Okay, by the way, before we get started, I'm sorry if you can hear some background noise again, like in all my videos. Again, because I have roommates and they're watching a movie. So, sorry if you hear something in the background, okay? Today, I just want to film, put some makeup on, have fun, and don't do anything too basic, basically. Okay, so today my plan was to basically recreate this look by Juliana. I'm gonna post it right here, and it looks so fucking cool. I still don't know if I'm gonna use the exact colors that she used, but we'll see what we do, you know? We'll fucking see what's up with that. It's been a while since I've used some color in my eyes, and that looks so beautiful, so fucking stunning. So let's get on it, shall we? We shall. So I'm gonna prime my eyes and I'll see you in a second, and we'll be closer to my face and we're gonna enjoy my beautiful face even more, okay? So I primed my eyes with the ColourPop concealer and I added a tiny bit of the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk because I wanted it to be a little bit brighter. I don't know if it made that much of a difference, but I just wanted it to be like a tad bit wider so the colors will pop even more. So let's fucking start, because I'm like really excited to start this look and I don't want it to be disgusting. So let's do it, okay? So I'm gonna start applying the color Area 51 from the Jeffree Star Alien palette, the purple color. I haven't played a lot with this palette, but I really want to like dig in more because I only use like a few of the colors and it's pretty amazing. I must say, like, this purple is bomb, so I need to use it more to see what the fuck is up. Okay, cute. This is a look by itself. Okay, so now I'm gonna use the color Love That, this one from the James Charles palette, and I'm gonna apply this one like right on top of this one, trying to blend it but not that much. I want to see if this color works, because if it works, I'm good, and if not, I'm fucked. Okay, I completely forgot to tell you the brush I was using. So to apply the purple, I used the Morphe M506, and to apply this one, I'm gonna use the Morphe M456. Okay, this is looking kind of cuckoo crazy at the moment, but we're gonna fix it. We are, I promise. I promise. So now I'm gonna grab the color Skip, the pink one, on another Morphe M456, that one. And I'm gonna apply that one right on top of the purple we just applied. And I hope I do not fuck it up, because if not, I'm gonna be really mad. this looks ugly, but I'm gonna keep going. You know why? Because I do not give up, and I am not going to give up, you know? Because why would I? Why? You know, I fucked up with like the color choices, because like this second purple, it's kind of similar to the pink, so yeah, like I fucked up there. I'm using the second purple right now, but at the end this is gonna turn out beautiful or simply disgusting. So if you want to see how it ends, I mean, stay for a trip. I think I'm gonna leave it like this, and then I'm gonna come back and like fix it. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna do my little cut crease and try not to fuck it up completely. So yeah, that's my plan. So to start my cut crease, I'm using the Morphe M421 brush, and I'm gonna try not to fuck it up completely, you know? Okay, so now I'm gonna grab this little stupid brush that doesn't have a name with the first purple we used, and I'm gonna kind of fill up this, like, I'm gonna use like fill it up like a V, like, you know what I mean? So I cleaned the same brush, and I'm gonna grab the second purple, right? And I'm gonna put it like right here, like in the lid, but not fill it up completely. I'm gonna like mesh the two. Does this make sense to you guys? Like, I don't know if it even makes sense to me, but like, I really want this to work. Okay, I need to buy more brushes. Like, I cannot live like this. This is a disgrace. This is not allowed. Now I'm gonna use the Morphe M124, grabbing the pink, and I'm gonna fill up the white space. It's kind of making sense right now, but I still need to fix a little bit of this. So I'm basically gonna grab my brushes, like the first ones I used, and try to like blend this kind of better, so it looks better, obviously. I'm gonna do my face and my brows now, and then I'll come back to my eyes, because I really want to do the bottom part, because then it's gonna start making more sense, I think. So be right back. Okay, I'm back. I have my foundation on, and I have my brows, as you can tell. Also, my concealer started. My brows are looking pretty fucking rough right now. I really don't know why they're looking so disgusting, but oh well, what can you do, right? So, okay, to finish up the eyes, I'm gonna grab again the first brush we used, the Morphe M506, and I'm gonna connect the purple I used at first, and I'm gonna connect it to the bottom, and I'm gonna do that with all the colors, so it becomes like a triangle shape. You'll see. I know it doesn't make sense, but you'll see. I think I fucked up. Kind of fucked up like here in the bottom. Like, can you tell how it looks kind of wonky, donkey, ponky? I'm gonna try to put a little bit of powder to like sharpen up the shape a little bit to see if that helps. Just, oh, it was looking kind of good. Okay, I'm adding a little bit of black on this outer edge, just to, like, you know, add a little bit of darkness to the look in general. I want to add like a little white line so I can like have a little bit of contrast. It's really bland right now, like same colors, so I'm gonna map it out a little bit with the jumbo eye pencil from NYX in the color Milk. I put a little bit on the brush and I'm gonna like map it out, and then I'm gonna go over it with the Jeffree Star Drug Lord liquid lipstick so I don't fuck it up completely. What if instead of white I put a little bit of this and I mix it with the white? Should I? Okay, I'm not gonna fuck up more. I'm just gonna leave it like this. If not, I don't think it looks that bad. I think it's kind of interesting. For my inner corner, I'm gonna use Pink Heart by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I think it's really gonna complement the look. I'm gonna put my lashes on. I'm gonna use the Lily lashes in the style Miami. If you're an OG in this channel, you fucking know that I love these lashes so much. I used them till they literally fell apart, like they were destroyed. So my good bitch Carly, she was like, hey Val, do you want some lashes? I'm like, yeah, okay. She's like, oh, because I don't use them and I don't know, blah blah blah. I'm like, okay. And she's like, here, there you go. And I'm like, these are Lily lashes. The fuck? So thanks Carly, love you bitch. I really appreciate it. So I'm gonna put my lashes and I'll be right back. Okay, I have my lashes on. So now I'm gonna fucking bronze. And I'm gonna use the Kiko Milano Couture Sienna bronzer with the Morphe M527 brush. And this is like my favorite bronzer ever. It's, I don't know what is it about, but like, look, oh, it's so good. I really recommend it, like, a lot. And I use this same color to contour my nose, so it's perfect. And to contour my nose, I'm gonna use the Morphe E62 with the same bronzer color. I'm gonna really contour right now with the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit in the color Fawn with the Morphe M405 brush. For blush, I'm gonna use the Tarte blush in Expose with the Morphe E4 brush. I love this blush because it's like neutral, but it still gives you like a little something something on the skin so you don't look dead. And I like to put blush on my nose too. I don't know, like I feel like it looks more natural It looks super cute and pretty. For highlight, I'm gonna use the Moonchild Glow Kit, the same that I used for my inner corners, with the Morphe M501 brush. For lips, I'm just gonna apply the Dose of Colors Desi X Katie collab in the color The Most, and that's all I'm gonna do for lips because I don't want to, like, I don't know, I don't want to overdo it. Ooh, ah, ooh, ah. Just gonna finish it up with a little bit of setting spray. Oh my god, this literally took ages, like forever to do. But I'm actually really glad how it turned out. It's like, I was about to say like it's not that much, but it is. So yeah, like, I don't know, I'm sorry if this video was a complete mess, but whatever, what can we do? So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to see more of my face, click the notification bell so you never miss an upload. So I'll see you in another video. Bye, bitches.